What is your recommendation for addressing illegal immigration in Georgia?
We have passed a few bills, like for example, we make, before anybody sends money back to Mexico, they have to pay a tax on it to Georgia, because as you know, there's a lot of ways that we don't collect tax from illegals, and that's one reason that I prefer sales tax over an income tax, and we tried to change that, and over property tax too. We try to change that because so we can collect it. But the federal government, as you know from listening to the story in Arizona, will tell you in 5 minutes that this is our job. Although they don't do the job, they completely abandon the job. I would say that being an Army man and see what you can do with soldiers, I would say the National Guard should be armed. I can't believe I'd want to be down on the border not being armed with all the problems that you've been reading about in the paper. But they ought to be armed, and if word leaflets dropped all over Mexico and said that we will shoot to kill if anybody crosses, and be serious about this. And if they do that, then there won't be anybody killed because nobody's going to take a chance on it. But right now, it's kind of a joke the way that's happened with them killing sheriffs and various things down there.
Ms. Carroll?
For immigration, I think often we forget that some of the immigrants are women and children, and we have to be compassionate. It is a problem, but I think it's a problem that we can solve. The Georgia General Assembly passed some very strict laws in 2007, which are not being enforced, which are good, solid, and not extreme at all. I've read them. But what I do think we need to do is business owners that are hiring illegal workers are taking advantage of business workers that are obeying the law. And I think it's the business workers that are our citizens need to be held accountable. They're very easy to verify whether someone's an immigrant or not. The website through the government, everify.gov, there really isn't a reason, unless they want to have the advantage of not paying decent wages for a business owner not to be hiring illegals.